Welcome to the Film Fastener BondKap installation series. This video demonstrates a residential window application. Begin by determining which BondKap is correct for your installation. Next, clean and prepare the surface for the adhesive you will be using. Measure the window opening and note the sizes needed. We will begin with the upper window opening using part number BK2009. Mark the BondKap and cut it to length. Mark the ends at 45 degrees for a neat, mitered appearance. I use a wet erase marker so it is easy to remove the marks after cutting. You can use the first measured length as a template to cut as many pieces as you will need for the installation. Once your pieces are cut, you should dry set them in the window to assure their fit. Lay your lengths of BondKap on a flat surface to apply the adhesive. I recommend using a board with a stop block to keep the pieces from sliding as you apply the adhesive. I also recommend wearing nitrile gloves to limit skin exposure to the adhesive. Cut the tip of your caulking gun so you will distribute about a 1/2 inch wide bead of adhesive to the strip. To install the BondKap, simply place it to the window and press it into position. Continue to run your bead of adhesive on the other BondKap strips. Do not just pull away at the end of the run. Back over the bead of adhesive and let the silicone stick on itself to break the string. Align and place the BondKap strips into position on the window. Next, clean any excess adhesive with a plastic razor blade. Now we move on to the lower window sash using BK2002 and BK2008. For the BK2002, apply about a 5/8 inch round bead of adhesive down the center of the BondKap strip. After a couple of installations, you will get a feel for the amount of material to apply to the strips. Installation is the same as the upper sash. Just place the BK2002 into position and press into place. One unique benefit of the BondKap system: if you should notice areas where you are not sure if you have enough adhesive, you can always pull back or lift out the BondKap and apply more adhesive as necessary. Once all the pieces are aligned, remove any excess adhesive with a plastic razor blade. Sometimes you may notice the BondKap will move if not braced against the frame. You may need to hold the BondKap in place while you remove any excess adhesive. The bottom of this sash is similar to a patio door, where the glass and frame are perpendicular to each other. In this instance, it is easier to apply the adhesive on the frame and glass rather than on the BondKap. Once the adhesive has been applied, place the BK2008 over the adhesive and press it into place. Clean off any excess adhesive, and thus completes the installation of the BondKap system on a residential window using BK2009, BK2002, and BK2008.